Welcome back to our channel. We will be diving into the world of e-commerce and email marketing by showing you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with Woocommerce. Trust me, this integration can be a game changer for your business, so let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, Mailchimp allows you to create targeted email campaigns based on your customers' preferences and behaviors, leading to increased engagement and higher conversion rates. That means you can build and nurture customer relationships through personalized emails, promotional offers, and product recommendations, ultimately enhancing the overall shopping experience. Now, that is where WooCommerce comes in, because the first thing we need to do is to log into our WooCommerce account, and after doing so, you need to go over to your dashboard wherein it says products, right? Now you need to search manually on Mailchimp here in the multiple options that you can see, especially for the product add-ons, right? Now, after searching and you've found Mailchimp for WooCommerce, because from here you can increase traffic, drive repeat purchases, and personalize your marketing when you connect to Mailchimp. And you can see the blue or the purple button, which means add to store. That means you haven't integrated your Mailchimp account to your WooCommerce yet. Okay, if you haven't, if you've done so, basically you would not gonna be seeing these options here. But for now, all you're gonna do is click on add to store or add to cart if you're not sure for now. Let's click on add to store. Now, once you've clicked the add to store, all you're gonna do is provide more information during the checkout process. Now, from here, all I'm gonna do is put my information, your company name, your country or region. Right now, I'm in the United States, and my address, and how would you like to use your products. It's up to you. And after doing that, all I'm gonna do is click on the option right here and place a free order, right? That's one way. Now, another step that we know is simply you go to your Mailchimp account, and in the left part of the dashboard, click on integrations. Now, when you click integrations, as you can see, you can connect apps and all platforms here. And all you're gonna do, well, basically it's already here. It's WooCommerce. It's free on the plan available. You can sync your customer and order data to automate tasks. Now click on it. Now, as you can see, you can get access to powerful sales driving marketing features, allowing you to better engage and build relationships with your customers by clicking the connect button here. And once you've done that, you will be redirected to the same page that we have checked out earlier from the WooCommerce product. I've said I've added that to cart, or you can add to store very quickly. Now, if in any chance you have a an account here in Zapier, this is one of the most used platforms for integrating so many apps. I have my account here, so what I'll do is just click one button. If you don't have the luxury of time to go to the technical details, all you're gonna do is create an account in Zapier, because you can create integrations between WooCommerce and Mailchimp to automatically or to automate any workflow on. And all you're gonna do, as you can see, you have endless possibilities by clicking the orange button and connecting these apps. And from here, you are directed to a new page wherein you are asked to rename this kind of event. And the trigger is going to be WooCommerce, and the event is Mailchimp. And all I'm going to do is click on continue right here. And Zapier will do the work for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.